All right, howdy everyone. We're going to do an example of calculating the derivative f prime using the definition of the derivative, and the function we're going to look at is 1 over x. And just as a reminder, remember the definition of f prime is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, so here we go. F prime at x, by definition, is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Now we can use the definition of what f is. So here f is the function 1 over x. So this is 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x all over h. So we'll want to get common denominators there, so we can multiply the first one by x over x and the second one by h over h. X plus h over x over blah. Multiply the second one by x plus h over x plus h. And then they'll have the common denominator of x plus h times x. And then the whole thing was still divided by h, and we're still taking the limit as h goes to 0. Don't forget the parentheses that we had here, right? Those parentheses matter because that minus sign hits the x as well as the h. But you see, of course, that the x's are going away. So we have now the limit as h goes to 0. In the denominator, we'll have an h, an x, and an x plus h. And in the numerator, we just have a minus h. Well, we've got some more cancellation. The h's will cancel, just leaving a minus 1 in the top. Now, once the h's cancel, as h is going to 0, this term here will just be converging to x plus 0 because h is going to 0. So you can read off the limit. The numerator is just minus 1, and the denominator will be an x times an x plus 0, or just an x. So altogether, you get minus 1 over x squared. And that's it. Ciao.